Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to craft captivating captions for your Instagram posts. First, go to your Instagram application. After that, tap on the plus icon located at the bottom of your screen. Then select the image that you want to upload as a post. Once you have selected, then tap on next at the bottom. Here you have the option to add a caption. Now if you need captions for images and don't have any, just head over to the image-to-caption.ai website. Here you just have to upload your image and choose the language, and the website will analyze it to provide you with suitable captions. So tap on the upload image or video button here. Choose your desired image and then tap on done at the top right. After that, you need to add the details. You can also choose how many words you would like. Once done, tap on the generate caption option over here. After that, it will generate a suitable caption for your post. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.